How to keep your alarm company profitable in a recession. In times of recession, many businesses find themselves struggling to maintain profitability. One industry that seems to be particularly affected is the alarm installation business. There are a few things that business owners can do to keep their alarm installation business profitable during these difficult times. In order to withstand a recession, businesses should actively monitor their data for warning signs that may indicate a recession is on the horizon. This includes keeping an eye on macroeconomic indicators such as GDP growth, unemployment rates, and consumer spending. Explore ways to reduce costs, such as renegotiating contracts with suppliers or subcontractors and streamlining processes. Reducing costs is another important step for businesses looking to remain profitable during recessionary periods. Alarm installation businesses should also look for ways to diversify their revenue streams in order to remain profitable. By diversifying their revenue streams, businesses can create a more resilient business model that is better able to withstand the effects of recession. Reduce waste by tracking all equipment, travel, etc., and increasing efficiency. Additionally, businesses should consider increasing efficiency by automating processes and utilizing technology to reduce manual labor costs. Buy in bulk whenever possible, even if that means delaying your projects by a few days. By purchasing goods and services in bulk, businesses can secure lower rates from suppliers and reduce costs associated with shipping, handling, and storage. Focusing on marketing and advertising is another important strategy for keeping an alarm installation business profitable during recessionary periods. Consider it this way: if you're not busy with a client, you're busy marketing to find new clients. Providing amazing customer service is an essential part of keeping an alarm installation business profitable. Recession-proofing your alarm installation business is essential to maintaining a healthy bottom line. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you need assistance.